Hi, Chef Anthony here. We're going over the Freedom Induction cooktop, the 36-inch, an amazing induction cooktop. First of all, let's answer the question, what is induction? So, induction is actually magnets, ferromagnetics underneath this glass that really react with the pan and create the heat, create the energy, and bring us to a fast boil, bring us to an amazing dish, okay? The 36-inch Thermador right here has incandescent lights on the side that show you the zones and where your pots are cooking. The reason why they coined it the term freedom is that we have the freedom to build a burner anywhere on this cook surface. So there's no dedicated burners like in a lot of other models. So being that I have these two pots, if I wanted to take this pot that's right here and I wanted to put it to the back, it's gonna register that pot right here, okay? So now it's over on this cook surface and I can change the temperature. So really gives us a variety of cooking surfaces to use, whether we're using a long induction grill pan, whether we're using a wok or a tea kettle or any, like say, stock pot. Now we can create a burner anywhere on this surface and really get to cooking. So we're not really held back by, you know, burner size and burner space, the dedicated spaces. So another great piece, being that the center controls are right here, at the push of a button, we can actually use all of the cook surface. So we'll hit this button, now we can go directly into the pan we're talking about. There's timers for everyone, which is great too if you're a timer person. So now you have the built-in timers right in the cooktop, and it's what I like is it's all in the center. So you don't really have to reach on the sides for buttons. You don't have to reach on the sides. No knobs, which aids, makes it nice and clean to cook on, okay? Now, right here on the right, we have some sausage. Pan searing it on high, really flip them. We're gonna get that nice grill marks, but notice underneath of my pan right here, I have parchment paper. Now this is getting all the splatter, all the grease, everything underneath here, and I can actually touch this. So keeps it nice and safe, really is a buffer, makes cleanup a breeze. That's really what we like to see. So I'll move this sauce back and notice how this, I shut this off right now. The pasta that we boiled is red, so that is an indication that it's hot. Being that, let's talk about the heat, now it's super safe as well. Induction, you don't really have to worry. As long as I put my hand right here on the cook surface without touching the pot, it's really gonna be cool to the touch. So think about safety for your children, things like that. Also for safety features, it features a lock mode. So if you hold this little key down right here for 5 seconds, it will lock the whole electronics of the cooktop. So if you go away on vacation or things like that, keeps it nice and safe as well, okay? I know a lot of customers say that they have cats that walk on the counter. I don't necessarily condone that in the kitchen, but if you do that, they won't turn on your cooktop. So think about that in your purchasing of that too. So let's turn this on. I want to finish boiling this pasta, so I have the pasta right here. I'm going to take the burner up to a 9, just get a quick boil on this pasta, okay? And while I'm doing that, I'm going to take this pot of sauce that I had on low. I'm just gonna bring it up because I want to take the chill off and make sure it's nice and hot so we can mix our pasta. We'll put it at 8.5. And then this sausage that I had, it's really pretty much almost done to the touch. So we're gonna bring it just at a 5.5 just to kind of bring it up to that 165, 170 degree mark. So 3 different pans, 3 different temperatures, nice and easy on the Thermador Freedom cooktop. Think about in your electric, this would be hot, everything would be, you know, noisy, moving around. It makes you cook more efficiently on induction. You know, now I'm not waiting. Look at that, instant boil, instant at a 5.5. This sauce at an 8.5 is already starting to get where I need it to be. So look how nice this is all gonna come together. When you purchase appliances like this, really elevates your game, gives you an easier way to make your breakfast, make your lunch, make your dinner. With efficient products, life is a breeze, okay? So this is really ready to go. Let's toss this pasta, move this around, no sticking, nice and easy, a little al dente, just like I like it. So I'll shut this off. We're gonna take this down to a 0. I'm gonna strain this 8.5, look. In a matter of under a minute, our sauce is already getting to the boil. And I just want to bring it up to a little simmer, and then I'm going to put it on low, and it'll be perfect. This sausage is just finishing out, so we're going to take this pasta and take it over to the sink. I'm going to dump it, and here's the best part. If you're low on space in your kitchen, if your island's not huge, you have a 36-inch cooktop, look at this. I can put my glass bowl right here. The heat, there's no heat. It's not gonna crack, it's not gonna break. Now I can actually use it as a work surface, or if I don't wanna worry about scratching it, I'll put my towel down, leave it right here, and I can actually plate up my pasta. Look at this sauce, right? I boiled this over for a reason. Look, it's gonna make a huge mess, right? Look what that would look like on your gas cooktop. Think about what that would look like on your electric cooktop. So let's shut it off, down to 0. We'll bring that down, and I'll show you. Look, instantly, sauce has stopped bubbling. You have complete control. And being that I talked about it before, it's just an induction surface. It's not hot to the touch. Look at that. Nothing's sticking. I can wipe up tomato sauce in a breeze. That's sweet. All right, draining the pasta over the sink right here. Keep a little of that pasta water. That's a little secret. That's not on the tour. We're gonna put our pasta right in our bowl. I got maybe, let's say, 1/4 pound of smoked Gouda. We'll put that right in, all right? Kind of mix that around with the pasta water and the pasta, okay? Look at this. This sausage I barely touched, you know, I just butterflied it and I just keep tossing it, grilling it. Nice and even. Isn't that nice? So I'm gonna actually put a knife through this. So once again, I could use my work surface, you know? Let's take this, let's give it a quick chop for our dish. You know, perfect. I love this. The Induction just gives you great confidence, but performance and ability that we love. Look at that. All right, chef, put these in our bowl. All right, I'll get all of these in. Smells too good to be true. I'm gonna use a little bit of sausage fat too. Not wasting a thing today, because this is my lunch. Boom. There it is. Take this, we'll add a little bit of that. That is flavor in this key. Put that over here as well. So, sausage, 3 pieces of sausage that we pan-seared from scratch, butterflied. Look at that. A little bit of residual grease. Here's the grease that it caught. Here's the burner, okay? Here's the cleanability. If that's not proof, I don't know what is. If that didn't sell you on it, finishing the sauce, look at that. Here's the bottom. No burn, no stick. Nice and easy. Sauce goes in. All right, pasta gets tossed. Lunch is pretty much officially made using our Thermador Freedom Induction. So I am gonna enjoy this. I hope you enjoy the Induction. Hope you cook on the Induction and find it as friendly and as efficient as I do for all my meals. So enjoy.